Please be advised that the contents of this video may be disturbing to some. Please also note that the video is not real. Any use of the EAS tones to attempt to incite panic is a felony, and I am not liable for any misuse of the tones. Thank you to all my translators who work hard to allow me to have more reach with my videos. This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. Local National Guard units have reported that they are missing around 10 M1 Abrams tanks from their depots. At this time, it is recommended that all who hear this message get inside your homes and stay off the roads. The potential that the tanks were stolen by foreign spies is high, and this action could be a prelude to an attack. Stay tuned for further updates.
No longer in a position to assist. We're moving to LZ Finch. The hell you say? We're freaking surrounded over here. Push out to the nearest LZ and await further instruction. Any station. This is Goose 4. I have 16 wounded, 7 dead at LZ Sparrow. We have multiple X-rays all around us. We cannot take off. We are grounded. Is anyone there? We need support now. Get off yet. Just go for it. Goose 4, this is Bloodhound 3.
This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. The military has reported that all mechanized vehicles within its arsenal have gone rogue. They are no longer required to be piloted by humans to move and shoot. All civilians over the age of 15 who are not physically or mentally disabled will be issued M72 laws. If you meet the aforementioned criteria, please report to your closest military recruiting center immediately to receive your orders. The President has declared martial law. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. This is an update regarding the previous message. At 7:28 a.m. today, all vehicles within the United States military arsenal gained autonomy through the impact of the Hayden project's electrostatic impact and a bug in all firmware within our tanks and other vehicles. This bug allowed the vehicles to establish self-awareness and control the vehicles themselves. These vehicles appear to be hostile to every person they come into visual contact with. Stay tuned for further updates. This is an emergency message. The plan to use laws and other rocket launchers to combat the tanks has failed. There is, however, some hope. All civilians are hereby instructed to find the fuel depots that are used by the machines, which are clearly marked. and light the fuel on fire, or if you have been supplied with explosives, plant bombs on site and detonate them. If they cannot refuel, they cannot survive. Good luck. Another message will play pending results of the offensive. Stay tuned for further updates.
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on, Daniels!
Daniels! I got you! Keep your head down!
God damn it! We keep crushing them and they keep coming back!
We can't hold the plaza much longer!
Artillery's on its way, they're saying 10 minutes tops!
Might as well be 10 hours! Lieutenant Turner, we need tank support
The
now!
tanks are covering our
Everybody
flank!
pipe down and let me think, goddammit! We don't have time to think! Alright, Daniel! You and I will go with Pearson and call it in! Move!
Alright, let's go!
Fire!
Daniel!
This is an emergency message. The plan has worked. The machines are now unable to synthesize fuel and will die off in a few days. All civilians hearing this message are advised to get enough food and water to last 14 days to wait this out. A message will play in 14 days, marking the end of the waiting period. When this message plays, it will be safe to exit your shelters. Stay tuned for that message and good luck. Ceasing transmissions at the tone. This is an emergency message. It is now safe to exit your shelters. This marks the deactivation of the emergency alert system, ceasing transmissions at the tone.
War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hon.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get ready and stop hogging the mirror.
Right.
Sir? Mom? You should come and see this!
Yes, followed by flashes, blinding flashes. Sounds of explosions. We're trying to get confirmation. We seem to have lost contact with our affiliate stations.
Oh no.
We do have coming in. That's confirmed reports. I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
The machines decimated us that day. We thought that they were dead, but we were wrong. It took many names, the Master, Skynet, the Megamycete, but ultimately it didn't matter. Those things chased us underground. The computers made human-like robots and sent them to exterminate us, but the resistance will live to fight another day.